want it, I got it. Yeah, I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.
Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a beauty spell potion. So what you'll first need is to light up an incense. So make sure it's an Egyptian musk. Then have a red candle and put a little bit of water into the red candle holder. So with your candle, you want to put a little bit of rosehip oil. So you can put it all around the candle. As well, you could do as I say, oil. It's up to you what you want to choose to put on your candle. I put both. Okay, so once you have that, you light it up. Put it in your candle holder. Yep. Okay, and make sure you let that burn all the way through. Okay, so now, move this out of the way. You would need a bowl of water. So make sure it's distilled water. Remember, you're putting your energy into this bowl. It's your own oil. So when you're looking at it as well in the mirror, tell yourself what you want to see. So I want to look even more beautiful, more clear face, and more youthful. It's up to you what you want to see in the mirror. So we'll add. So make sure you have patchouli oil, some primrose oil, rosehip oil, and catnip. So we'll start adding rose petals. So you could put like 3 in there. Remember, you're telling the roses what you want. Putting your energy vibration into the water, to the rose petal. Okay, and then you can start putting 10 drops of primrose oil. Okay, so once you've added your rose petal, now you would add catnip. I know what you're thinking, catnip, but catnip represents happiness, love, and joy. So remember, you're telling these herbs that you want to be happy. I am happy and I love myself even more. And every time I look in the mirror, all I see is beauty, joy, whatever it is that you want to see of yourself. Okay? So then now we'll add some patchouli oil. Put like 10 drops. Don't forget, you need a rose quartz. So this activates the water, the petals, the herbs, gives it that energy. So remember, always charge your crystals outside the sun. So you could just put that in there so it charges the water. And when you're finished with the incense, the ashes you will put in the water once it's all the way finished. Okay, so remember, you are telling the mirror what you want to see, all your energy vibration in here. So a few things. So after you finish, then you can put this at your altar to charge it. I picked up this at the dollar store. So this is my own that I carry around in my purse. So you could transfer it in here, and every morning you wake up, wash your face, brush your teeth, your routine, spray some on. As well, you can add in here, or even in here, it's up to you, but I usually like to put it in the bottle. Cinnamon, it gives it that nice smell, that spicy smell. So you could break a small piece and put it in your bottle so it absorbs. So you can put it in here and as well in your bottle. So this is your own fragrance, your own beauty spell. Oh, I think there's just too much herbs in here. The rose petals. You can move it around, shake it around. I have my own rose quartz in here as well. having charging it up. See? Just spray it around face. You can carry in your purse, anywhere you like, or you could just simply bathe in it in 30 minutes. Just take a nice bathtub and just soak in it. Okay, so once you have your whole Egyptian musk finished, you can add all the ashes in there. Remember, Egyptian musk represents goddess beauty. Okay, so you want to mix it around and just wait for the whole Egyptian musk to finish the incense. And you want your candle to finish all the way to the bottom. That's why I add water so it doesn't catch on fire. Sorry, I'm a little one here. He's curious. And these you can get at the West Indian store. A lot of these things that I've got is from a spiritual store. And even your local grocery store, you can't find any. Your health store for oils, it's up to you where you can get these things. Dollar store. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will be posting more. So just remember, always tell what you want to see in the herbs, the petal, your energy. It's all you in your mind. You're telling it what you want to see. You are the power. Okay? Till then, see ya.
Skin is genius, the way it shine, I know.